Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make your Instagram account private. This is a great way to protect your privacy and control who can see your posts and stories. So, let's get started. To make your account private, open the Instagram app and tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Then, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From the drop-down menu, tap on Settings. Once you're in Settings, tap on Privacy. Under Account Privacy, toggle the switch next to Private Account to the on position. Tap on Switch to Private to confirm. When your account is private, only people who follow you will be able to see your posts and stories. People can still request to follow you, even if your account is private. You can then choose to approve or decline their request. That's it. You've now successfully made your Instagram account private. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more useful tips and tricks.